HVAC crews are working overtime as they see the extreme heat is causing lots of air conditioning units to stop working. Fox 40's Zach Boetto joining us live from Sacramento after talking with some people struggling with AC today and talking with the crews about how heat impacts their business. Zach.
Eric, some HVAC crews are working 15-hour workdays to make sure people are getting a break from these record-breaking hot temperatures. But for people with no air conditioning on days like today, minutes can feel like hours when you're waiting for some relief. All across Sacramento County, people are struggling with the extreme heat.
Right now we're sitting up there and it's like an oven.
As energy providers ask people to set their air conditioning to 78 degrees, some residents in Sacramento are having to make do without any AC.
That's our regular AC that does not work. The hotter it is, the hotter we feel it in here. We've had everything open up. We are ending up with flies and whatnot up in here, and until 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And I mean, come on, the heat. You're gonna try to tell me nobody's feeling the heat?
For HVAC workers like Cesar Alvarez, who runs Rico's Heating and Air, he says his crews can't get to every call quick enough.
I think the whole month has been brutal for us this month. So yeah, and then this weekend this week is even hotter.
It's the hottest day ever recorded in Sacramento history, and with HVAC maintenance crews getting 50 to 60 calls for maintenance per day, some people without AC are having to wait hours to get any help.
We're running long days, long hours.
Yeah, go ahead. That's okay.
Hello, this is Rico's Heating and Air.
Alvarez says he has his guys working overtime during this heat wave, sometimes 14 to 15 hours a day, because there are people out there who need their help.
Well, they need it. They need the AC going. It's an emergency sometimes because we got old people and, they cannot handle the heat.
For a few people living on Morse Avenue, all they can do is wait for someone like Alvarez and his HVAC crew to come through and bring some relief.
Their AC is not working either. The guy downstairs, his AC is not working either. The people in the front down there, their AC is not working. How do you think it is? I mean, terrible. It's not the good living. For people who don't have air conditioning in their homes tonight, officials say the best way to keep your house cool is to open up those windows during the nighttime to let that cooler air inside of the house. And then when the sun comes up in the morning, close those windows, close those blinds to try to trap that cooler air inside throughout the day. Reporting live in Sacramento, Zach Boetto, Fox 40 News.